If you are facing any issues and want to contact YouTube live support to chat due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. Now watch carefully this video, because if you will miss any step, you will not be able to do live chat. First of all, open your browser and type support.google.com and press enter. Now these all are the Google services we can contact. Further tap on this scroll down menu to show more. You can contact any of these, but we want to contact YouTube team, so we will tap on YouTube. Scroll down, and here you can see the option Contact Us. Tap on it. Here describe your problem or type whatever about your problem is, and press Next. Choose any option and press here on Next Step. Then again, press here on Next Step. Now we will tap here on Chat. Enter your YouTube channel URL. Choose No here. Mean to say skip these options in any way. And tap on Start Chat, and we will redirect to live chat. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.